Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato charu, a flavorful South Indian soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 4 to 5 ripe tomatoes, a small amount of tamarind, and 2 cups of water. For spices, have 1/2 teaspoon each of turmeric and red chili powder, along with 2 teaspoons of rasam powder. Don't forget oil, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, fresh curry leaves, and a handful of chopped coriander for garnish. Now, let's prepare the base for our charu. Begin by soaking about 1 teaspoon of tamarind in 1/4 cup of hot water for 15 to 20 minutes. This helps soften it. While that soaks, take your 4 to 5 ripe tomatoes and blend them into a smooth puree, or you can finely chop them if you prefer a chunkier texture. Once the tamarind is soft, squeeze out all the pulp to get a rich extract, then set it aside. With our base ready, it's time to cook the charu. Transfer your tomato puree to a pot, then add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 2 cups of water. Mix everything well and cook this mixture for about 3 to 4 minutes, allowing the raw tomato flavor to mellow. Next, stir in the tamarind extract, salt to taste, and 2 teaspoons of rasam powder. Let it simmer gently for another 5 minutes to blend all the wonderful flavors. For the final touch, we'll prepare a flavorful tempering. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a small pan. Once hot, add 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds, letting them splutter. Then, add 2 dried red chilies, a sprig of curry leaves, and a pinch of asafoetida. Fry these until the chilies change color and the curry leaves become crisp. Pour this aromatic tempering directly into your simmering tomato charu. Stir in fresh coriander leaves and serve hot with rice or as a comforting soup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.